morning, everybody. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for sparing your valuable time today. Well, I'm so happy about this meeting. This is like a dream fulfilled because what FSSAI tries to do, unless we have the total government approach, we really can't achieve significant positive outcomes. Actually, I had kept 2 hours for this meeting in my own schedule, but we yesterday night got an information that at 10:30 we have to be part of a meeting of the Prime Minister. So today we have to sort of cut it down. So I'll just make 2-3 things. You see, for ultimately in the beginning, Arun Singhal ji has mentioned about the two terms. He said food security, and then he also mentioned about nutrition security. And we all know that in spite of so many efforts being done by so many people all over the country and all of you for so many years, we still have, a large number of people suffering from malnutrition, over 50% women suffering from anemia, and all those issues are still there in the country. So what I would be, as a doctor also, I feel that for somebody to be healthy, there are 3-4 things which are the most prime things. This Eat Right India movement, that's number one. The Fit India movement, that's number two. And I think if we can ensure that we have good sanitary conditions around the place where we are living, and of course if we can give people the right good quality potable water, and of course a good environment around them, then that actually fulfills everything. So I can foresee lot of scope for, if we have to really achieve those goals which we have fixed for 2050. I think we can do that in 5-10 years. It's not 250. We don't have to, none of us will be there in 2050 to see whether we could achieve the goals or not. So I have just one suggestion right now. Number one, this meeting that we have done today, let this become an institutionalized mechanism of this so-called total government approach for achieving the nutrition security of the country, so that we have everyone having adequate amount of calories. We know that average caloric intake of the country is far below than the required one. So number one, this whole system that we have done today, this meeting, it should become an institutionalized system with perfect synergy between all of us. And I am suggesting to Arun Singhal ji that in 1 month from now, with all the departments, he should have, with his own team and their team, he should have good quality brainstorming sessions, and with those brainstorming sessions individually with the related departments. And I am sure most of the departments are related in the government in some way or the other. For the broader perspective of health, I find that everybody is important, but for his FSSAI or the nutrition security also, many departments are very important. So with those brainstormings, we should actually try to some good suggestions should emerge where we are doing something new, innovative, over and above what we are already doing or whatever we have already planned, plus our mechanism to actually implement what we have already done. And then maybe after a month or so, maybe just after Diwali, when he has finished with all these brainstormings with all of you at individual level, with the high profile, best quality people in your departments and in FSSAI, and he can take the help of maybe involve the regular health ministry also in those brainstormings, then we can meet again. And I would suggest that we will keep that meeting for at least 2-3 hours, and I'll seek your indulgence and your time also for that meeting. And then we put up a robust monitoring mechanism of what we are implementing, what are the outcomes. I am sure that if this group decides, and that is the inherent strength of India, that when India decides, India can do it. So it is not, we don't have to wait till 2050. I am sure at least by 2030, at least if not by 2025, but in next 10 years we can really achieve this nutrition security. And again I say that this Eat Right India movement and the Fit India movement, they are going to be the game changers for India. Apart from the already many visionary things about sanitation and environment that are being done, they are all, and we know the next 5 years water is going to be very important, which is going to add to this health component also in a big way. So this is my, I wish I had more time to talk to you, to hear all your views, but maybe when we meet after Diwali, we will meet for indefinite time and discuss threadbare everything and go back with a pledge and a resolve that we'll achieve this by 2030. So once again, thank you, thanks all of you. Our meeting with the Prime Minister is only 2 minutes away, so I think I have to take, although very reluctantly, but I have to take leave from all of you. Thank you for being a part of this meeting.